this is Maya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to see what are the things affecting the calculation time and how can we reduce the calculation time. So the first thing is whenever you're doing any project or you're doing any complex project. So when you're doing any project and the calculation time is quite high, you feel a bit of irritated. Okay, that's true. Now we are going to see the things which affects the calculation time. Okay, so we'll see it one by one. The very first thing is, so how far is your drawing from the origin? Okay, the moment you are in the plan view and you do it zoom all, my drawing, okay, my model is quite far away from this origin. Okay, you can see it even in the 3D. So my origin is here, but my model is somewhere here, so it's quite far. What will this happen? This also will increase the calculation time of my project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the origin to the wall, to the outer wall. So to set it, just to do that, select this one. Okay, set coordinate system, click on this one, zoom in, click on the first point where you want it, then extend it and click again for the second point. Now your origin is properly placed to the outer wall. You can see in the 3D model, zoom all, and you can see it is properly fitting it. So the very first step you need to do is make this origin, okay, to the outer wall. Second thing is, okay, this is your floor element. Make this floor element only how much it is necessary for you. By default, you know that the floor element is something bigger like this. Okay, when you zoom all, you can see this is a quite a big floor element. So you simply need to delete this one, go to the plan view, zoom in and draw the floor element only how much you require, how much is necessary. That is the size of your project. So now go again to the 3D model, zoom all, and you can see now it fits fine. So these are the first 2 points. The third point is, as you all are aware, the 3D objects. So whenever you're importing this beautiful 3D objects, okay, make sure the file size is less, and not only the file size, make sure even the number of polygons are less. Okay, try to make maximum of the objects using the extrusion volume, or you can use the default objects from this catalogs library. Okay, from this catalogs. So these are the few things which increase the calculation time. It also depends upon your lighting. Okay, so sometimes even the complex lighting will increase the calculation. So before I show you how to do the fast calculation, let's do this with a normal calculation. So I will go to the calculation objects and just run entire project. For your calculations to be more fast, make sure you have a good processor in your PC. So my calculation is completed and you can see here the light output. Everything is properly calculated and I will show you the thermal. You can see I have got a uniform illumination of 100 to 200 lux. Okay, for grazing I have got a nice grazing effect. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cancel the calculation. Now I'm going to do the same calculation, making it, now I'm going to do the calculation faster. So just observe the next few steps. Go to this icon settings, okay, set calculation, click on this one, make it fast. Okay, this is a simple setting. There are more ways, okay, in which you can calculate it, make it more faster. So now the simple setting, go to the set calculation, from standard make it fast and just run the project. So my calculation is completed and you can see the light output is same as I got it when I'm doing a standard calculation. Okay, this is the light output. The calculation time was saved. I did this calculation only for a single room in few seconds. So this is how you decrease the calculation time. There's one most important thing. Now suppose you want to render this images. Can we do that? Let's go and check it out. Export. The only thing you can't do in the fast calculation is you can't ray trace the images. You can set the views. Suppose you want to set the view, just go here, save new view, your image will be set. Okay, from there you can save the image also, but the thing is you can't go and render it. So here it is showing that this function is not available for fast calculation settings. So this is the thing you can't do, but you can make your calculations faster. Now we will do one more thing. Okay, we'll just cancel this calculation, we'll go in the fast, and if you see when I'm making it fast or standard, it is always asking me if I want to do only direct light, without objects and furniture, only calculation surfaces. So you can click on any of the thing, any of the type of calculation you want and do it. Now suppose I will make it without objects and furniture. So let's go and run the project and let's see what happens to the output. So now my calculation is completed, and as you see my furniture is looking black in color because I selected the calculation to be without objects and furniture. So you can do this type of calculation also if you want the calculation to be done only for the surfaces, vertical and horizontal surfaces. You can see the one the thermal view. Everything will be calculated except the objects and furnitures. Okay, so this is about one thing in the calculation. You can experiment with this one. Then one more important thing here is only direct light. What if you need only the direct light? So hope you we know that there is a direct light. Okay, from the photometric curves data, we know if the light is the direct light or indirect light. Now this one is purely direct light. Okay, all my linears are direct. Okay, now this table lamp has both indirect light and direct light. My chandelier has both indirect light and direct light. So what if I run the calculation with only direct light component, as it is showing me here, only direct light? Let's see what happens. We'll just run the calculation for this one. Okay, so we have completed our calculation. We'll close the thermal first. Okay, now you can see the everything is calculated except for this table lamp and the chandelier. It is looking black because indicating that it is not calculated. The reason is we did the calculation only for direct light, and as I showed you the photometric curve, this has both direct light and indirect light. So it will be having direct light component and indirect light component. That's the reason it is not calculated. Though you can see the light output here. Okay, some part you can see on the ceiling. The light is falling here from this chandelier. This is because it has both direct light component and indirect light component. What if I have only indirect light in my project? Let's go and do the calculation for indirect light. For that one, I will consider my this project. It is a single room. I've just placed some normal furniture here. Okay, the seating area, and I selected a light which has only indirect light. You can see here. I will make it at the center. Okay, this is not the right light for this room. Okay, it is only to show you the calculation part. This light has its photometric curves on the upside, indicating that it has only indirect light. But indirect light also has a direct light component and indirect light component. Let's go and check what happens when I do calculation for this kind of indirect lights. So go to settings first, fast, only direct light, and run the project. Okay, now you can see the output. It is calculated, but it is showing me only the direct light output. Okay, I'm going to save this view, export, save new view, and I will save image. Okay, I will save this image. I will make it as v1. Okay, so now it is displaying me some light output. Okay, that seems to be direct. Now we will cancel the calculation and run the project. Okay, without with unchecking this one. So I want both direct light effect and indirect light effect. So go to calculation objects and run the project. Now you can see my light output is calculated. It has a direct light effect and also the reflected and indirect light what I'm getting in the room. So I will export. Okay, show view, save image, and this will be my view 2. So I will just open those images I saved. So this was my calculation which was done with only uh, direct light, and this is the calculation I have done. Okay, for both indirect and direct. Don't get confused. Okay, it will be bit uh, complex when you're doing calculation and fast, making it check for direct light and indirect light. Okay, give it a try only if you know your light sources and the light output very well. Okay, don't uncheck any of these things, just make it fast and run simplified lighting objects for furnitures, everything, and you will have your calculations done from minutes to seconds. This is how you can save the calculation time for your project. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned, and in my next video I'm going to show you how you can do a calculation for a complex project from minutes to seconds. So stay tuned to explore more and dialogues with me. Thank you.